Remember when social media was mainly looked at as an online bridge between people to connect? Simpler times indeed. Now it has evolved into a platform for running businesses and making good money. Followers don't mean money. Having 10,000 followers or 1 million followers does not mean that you will surely make money. You have to make money along the way. In order to do so, you have to have a product to sell. If not, the audience will link to someone else who is actually selling something. Hence, it is very important that along with a good follower count you make good use of it by selling something, whether it is a product, service, advice, free business mentoring programs or anything else. Be clear on your niche. Before you plan your business, it is very crucial that you know what you want to deal in. It will help you prepare and follow your goals. Operate your account like a business. Find out why people are coming to your account. This information will assist you in planning your business strategies as per your audience's mindset. Make regular posts. To keep the audience engaged, keep making regular posts. Use a hook at the top of the post to grab their attention. Follow it with the story and then an exciting offer. You have to monetize your posts efficiently and effectively. Who are you? Whatever identity you want to tailor online, your bio will do half the job for you. Most important is the name. Keep it such that if people search for the product you're selling, they get your name in results. This identity will specify the goals to achieve at work with a newfound clarity. Another pro tip is that bio names can be rebranded as your title, author, doctor, guru, etc. Link in bio is a primary traffic source. Always have a link to your website, product, service or value offer in bio. This low-entry technique which can help you get people's email IDs and phone numbers. Their personal contact details makes it easier to connect with them and sell better. Add offers, free vouchers, appointment booking links etc. to your bio regularly. A no-brainer offer tells if people are serious or not about your product through their response. The more you tell, the more you sell. The more people see your products and services, the more they get to know about you. This way they will be willing to buy from you. Business mentors suggest to not hold back from giving exact information so that audience realizes your efficiency. All you need to do is be real and authentic so that people can connect with you. Adding an attractive offer value every time works like magic. Use emojis. Use a lot of emojis because people want to be captivated by what you're saying. Make your content as attractive as possible. Introduction to your value ladder. Let people enter your account by getting involved in a tiny offer. As soon as they get used to it, add value to access other parts. This way you keep adding offers and values to different purchasing phases and more people are added during the process. This is called your value ladder. If you make levels of certain offers, people who are actually interested in your brand will pay for it. Use these practical tips to make quick money on Instagram and sell your products or services efficiently. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more upcoming videos.